Guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. We're gonna go ahead and get started into the look. Right now you see me going through and adding in the pieces of the petals. We're just getting those shaped out here, going above the brow and in the outer corner of the eye and under the eye as well. Here you see me going in with the lighter shade of the pink, and we're just still going in and making sure that we get those petals lined up correctly. And now we're adding a bit of orange to blend into those petals as well. I also went ahead and added an extra one, and now you see me putting on the foundation, still the same one that we've been using, the Fenty Beauty 345, and then we're going in with that e.l.f. Caramel Concealer as well, and we're going to blend that out also. Now we're just putting on the glue for the lashes, and we're going to go ahead and start on the lip with a brown liner. We'll add in a matte pink. Going ahead and adding the details to the tulips, adding the dots on each petal, and then we'll go ahead and do the other side as well. After that, we're just going to go ahead and add the lashes on to complete the look. And here you see me using the cotton candy and e.l.f. and that is the finished look. If you all enjoyed it, please like, share, subscribe, and comment. And I'll see you in my next video. Bye.
Lip gloss on the mirror line, gold on the cheek that shine. Every detail, every move feels like a sign.